guys, Passion Vlog here, back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys my new bird and her new cage, and how you can tell if it's female or male, and the basics and stuff like that I just started realizing. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so this is my birdie. Her name is Mrs. Birdie, and she lives in this cage right here. She has water, she has food, she has these perches right here, that little perch and that little perch. She has a mirror, one toy, two toys, three toys. Then she has the millet and this millet. She looks like a happy bird, right? To take care of a budgie, you would need appropriate sized habitat, basically a finch habitat because they don't like the tall ones, habitat cover, high quality parakeet food, millet spray, cuddle bone and millet holder, treats, habitat paper or litter, food and water dishes, variety of perches, variety of toys, bird bath, nail clippers and styptic powder, vitamins and supplements, play gem, and book about parakeets. Now, the budgie comes in different colors. Mine is blue-green. Yours could be white, you could be blue, you could be green, you could be yellow. But the budgie, if you have a draft in your house, the budgie can get sick immediately, and you would have to have an unnecessary vet bill. If you don't like loud noises, then the bird ain't good for you. And if you like the bird, you have to train it. Train it how to be tamed, how to talk, if you want to, how to feed from your hand, anything. The bird diet has a few seeds and fruits and vegetables, no cooked, but raw fruits and vegetables for it. My next topic goes into detail about how to tame and how to talk and how to train your budgie bird. If you want to teach your budgie how to be tamed, hand feed, and talk, all you need to do is first tame it, because if a bird ain't tamed, he won't know how to talk, he won't know how to hand feed. So tame a bird. All you have to do for taming your bird is put it on your finger or on your chest, and for 30 minutes each day or longer, have him or her be on your chest or finger. For hand feeding, all you have to do is put out your palm like this, put food in it, and hand feed it to the bird. Teach your bird how to talk is you have to talk to it every day, and eventually it'll talk to you back. My next one is the next one is pictures of my budgie and stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!